Okay, here I am again, trying to work on how to do Screencast-O-Matic. Um, okay, here's my first slide. Actually, is there a way? It would be good if there was a way I could shed that part of the screen and put my face there, maybe. I wonder if that'll work. Okay, 33 seconds in. Okay, wait a minute though. Now I gotta click on the other slide. I'm not sure where I should put myself and how I should do this. Okay, Sandra Gravel's next point. Each point I'm supposed to do a minute and a half. Okay, stone. Okay. Now water. Okay. Now, okay, then wrap it up. Then